Hello guys, the Droid Figure here, and this is to inform you that the AOSP Pi variant, that is the unofficial 9.0 first custom ROM for our OnePlus Type T, is released today here on XGF forums. So I have just installed it right now on the device to check what's working and what's not. So this is pretty much working ROM except some minor bugs which I'll tell you later part on the video. So in this video I'll just quickly guiding you through the installation process and what are the bugs and what are working and what not. I'll just tell you all of that, so stay tuned for the video and let's get into it. So the installation procedure for the ROM is all of the same. What you need to do is head over to wipe and advanced wipe and select the first 4 partitions and then swipe to wipe. But if you are coming from Oxygen OS and you are encrypted, or from any other custom ROM which is encrypted, then you need to do is format data once and then reboot to the recovery once again. And for the recovery guys, I'm using the TWRP's official 3.2.3. So the link I'll give in the description. You just download it and flash it. You can do it via the TWRP which you are using right now, or you can do it via fastboot as you like it. And I have already flashed it, and I guess you know how to flash that. And if you don't know, then you can check other YouTube videos of flashing recovery correctly onto the device. So now then, once we have formatted our partition, now we'll just simply reboot to the recovery once again, else your data partition cannot be mounted. Now once we are in the recovery mode, what you're gonna do is we'll just connect our data cable, or if you're flashing via a USB flash drive, then you just connect it via OTG. I mean, you just need to drag and drop the files which will be flashing onto the device. So for that, let me just head over to the computer once and let's just copy the files. So once we have copied the files, as you can see, these are the 2 files, the zip file and the GApps. I'll give both of the links in the description, so just quickly flash it into your device. So once the flashing is completed, what you're gonna do is simply reboot to the system. So once this build gets booted, you will see no other welcome screen other than the home screen only. And one thing will come to choose your SIM card for data. If I choose Jio from here, then it will show that the SIM card is switching, but it won't switch the SIM card, else it will stick to the SIM 1 or the primary SIM card only. So for fixing this, what you're gonna need to do is simply reboot your system, and once the reboot is completed, your SIM card will be switched quickly into your SIM 2. I don't know, this is kind of weird bug into the system, but it works like this only. It boots up real quick. And if I select here Jio 4G again, then you can see that the SIM 2, the tower has came, and the 4G icon also has came. It will show here cross. Let me just zoom in a bit and I'll just show you that it will show here cross, but the internet connection will work perfectly fine. So as you can see that if I go to the Play Store, and this will open up real quick. So I don't have anything to test other than this, so you just confirm it over here. In my area, the Jio speed are really very slow, so you can see that the internet connection works perfectly fine. So if I just check over the camera, the back camera as well as the front camera works perfectly fine. So here's the back camera sample and as well as the front camera. So as you can see that both are working perfectly fine. I'm just having no issue with them, and text message are coming totally fine, but outgoing calls, let me just see that if any VoLTE outgoing calls works or not. No, it doesn't work, but incoming calls are working perfectly fine according to developer. I guess the VoLTE issue will be fixed real soon, but as one part is working, that's incoming, it's working perfectly fine, but outgoing isn't working, so that will be fixed real very soon. And this is it with the video. The LS slider works sometime and doesn't even work sometimes, so that's pretty much buggy. mentioned by the developer only. I'll leave a link to the thread in the description below. Go and check it out once if you're gonna need complete change logs and details of the ROM. I'm just giving an overview over here. So this is the ROM itself and how it looks. We don't get any other apps rather than the apps which we basically need for our device. That's the camera, contacts, files, messaging, phone, Play Store settings, and the SIM toolkit. Nothing more than that. So this is it for the video. I hope you guys like the video and share your thoughts regarding my video, and I hope you guys see in the next video. Bye bye and have a great day.